Hello family, I'm back again to share with you some more items that I'm prepping and stockpiling for my pantry because of the coronavirus, COVID-19. As you can see, we have 4 bottles. They are the 1 quart size. Yes, I don't have my glasses on, I don't know why. Wait, glasses to the rescue. They are 1 quart sizes. So 4 bottles of Listerine, 2 of the Zatarans. What is this? 5-pound jars of fish fry. My husband, he liked to use this fish fry to cook his fish in. And I also purchased from Sam's Club, this is Minimark, pink lotion dish detergent. Make 64 sinks. I guess to wash dishes 64 times you can make using this product to wash dishes. It says tough on grease. We shall see. It's gentle on hands because it has lotion in it. So I have 4 of those, and they are 1 gallon bottles. So 4 of those stocked up on dish liquid, and we stocked up on batteries. As you can see, we have the AAA, AA, and I have some D batteries. As you can see, those are the D batteries. So we stocked up on batteries, dish liquid, Listerine, mouthwash rather, fish fry, and I also have a 50-pound bag of rice, which I told my family that's out this way, if they want some, they can have a plenty, because I'm going to use these jars right here, empty fish fry jars. I can fill it up and let them have rice when they need it. So the pantry is getting stocked for this COVID-19 coronavirus, and we're just staying in. I do have another order coming in from, well, anyway, it's going to be, I'm going to do another video about what's in my pantry, what's in our pantry. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take pictures of that 50-pound bag of rice. I think my camera was messing up. I was saying I'm going to take a picture of the 50-pound bag of white rice. Alright, and so family, I have rice, beans, flour, sugar, baking powder. I found some baking powder that it's aluminum free and it doesn't have cornstarch in it. Yay! Alright, bye. This is the 50 This is the 50-pound bag of white rice, family. Yes, okay? Hello, family. It is I. Back again with another pantry, what's in my pantry video. Alright, as you can see, I have some enchilada sauce, some crushed tomatoes. Family, my camera cut off. Anyway, I'm back again to share with you guys another what's in my pantry video. This video is showing you some items I ordered online to help prep my pantry because of the COVID-19, the coronavirus. I have some maple syrup, some Heinz yellow mustard, these mezzita golden Greek pepperoncinis, which is good, and I use in greens and stuff. I have some early California stuffed pimento olives. I have crushed tomatoes. I have some, well, I have 4 cans of red enchilada sauce, excuse me. And I got some oatmeal for my husband's oatmeal cookies, and some Herdaz salsa verde. I'll be back with some more. Thanks for watching.